Hello, it's a pleasure to connect with you today. I excite every month, yet somehow feeling poorer each year. That uncomfortable feeling is connected to government debt.
Yes.
Not your credit card debt, not the government's debt. The number nobody really explains to normal people. Trillions on a screen that somehow touch your wallet. Today we uncover that hidden link and why saving alone may no longer be enough. Let's start with a simple picture. And why saving alone may no longer be enough.
Whoa! Help!
Let's start with a simple picture. You work. You save. You delay pleasure for security. That feels responsible. That feels safe. But the system you save inside keeps changing. And most people never notice the shift. Governments spend more than they collect every year. The gap becomes debt. Debt grows quiet, like interest on a forgotten loan, except the loan belongs to everyone. In 2000, global government debt felt manageable. After 2008, it exploded. It went vertical. Trillions were created in months, faster than any tax system could handle. So how does a government pay debt? Option 1 is taxes. Option 2 is borrowing more. Option 3 is printing money. Guess which one is easiest politically?
Oh no, it's getting worse.
Printing does not look
We need to
dangerous
be
at
careful.
first. No
This is a
riots, no
serious
angry
problem.
voters. Just new numbers entering the economy. But those numbers change everything quietly. Money works like oxygen in a room. Add too much oxygen and small sparks explode. Add too much money and prices ignite. Your savings stay the same. But the price tags move. Rent rises, food rises, energy rises. Your savings shrink without physically shrinking. This is inflation's invisible tax. Nobody sends you a bill, but everyone pays. Let's say you saved $10,000. Sounds solid. Our inflation runs 8%. In 1 year, your money quietly loses $800 of power. Nothing was stolen, nothing disappeared. Yet something vanished. Government debt feeds this cycle. More debt means more pressure to create money. More money means weaker purchasing power. It feels absurd. You save harder. The system erodes faster. Now here comes the ironic part. Governments often celebrate growth during heavy debt periods. Markets rise, assets inflate. Headlines look optimistic, but underneath, savings accounts fall behind reality. Interest rates rarely match inflation for long. Your bank pays 2%. Prices move 8%. That gap is not accidental. It is structural. Debt needs inflation to stay manageable. Without inflation, it suffocates governments. With inflation, debt shrinks in real terms, and savers quietly absorb the cost. This is the uncomfortable math nobody advertises. Debt survives by weakening money. People think danger comes from crashes. Usually it comes from slow erosion. A crash scares you. Inflation numbs you. Your statement still shows numbers. But those numbers buy less life. Now zoom out. Aging populations. Expensive healthcare, military budgets, climate programs. We must rethink our priorities. The future demands action. Infrastructure rebuilding. Governments cannot shrink easily. They expand naturally. Expansion needs funding. Funding creates debt. They expand naturally. Expansion needs funding. Funding creates debt. But the effect feels mysterious. This is why older generations save cash safely. And younger generations feel constantly behind. The rules shifted, not the advice. Saving alone once protected futures. Today, it mainly preserves exposure. The system rewards movement more than stillness. It punishes money silently. That does not mean stop saving, if understanding the battlefield. Government debt is not abstract anymore. It lives inside prices, wages, and returns. Every budget deficit whispers into your grocery bill. Every stimulus echoes inside your rent. And every saver stands between math and politics. So here is the real question. Are you saving in the system or understanding the system while saving? Because in a world of expanding debt, financial security is no longer passive. It demands awareness, not comfort. The hidden link is no longer hidden. It is already touching your future. The only uncertainty left is yours. Will you keep trusting the numbers or start questioning the system behind them? Thank you for joining us today. I'm pleased to share our latest dates on the project. We look forward to your feedback. Is saving alone really enough to protect your future? Or is understanding the system now part of the price of financial security? Decides what your savings really become. Subscribe and like for more videos.